7:29 in the morning. It's happy Saturday. So, this is our first day in Australia.
Morning.
Huh? First day in Australia. So, we're on the way to my husband mom's place. So, we stay in sa kapatid niya for a day lang. And then, gugora kami dun sa sa nanay niya talaga kami
Is your door
mag-stay.
closed, babe?
Init dito. What's the babe? The weather. It's hot. And then, bumili ako ng SIM card sa airport, diba? Tapos, hindi naman gumagana yung SIM card. So,
Did you check it when you were at the airport?
the guy said, I said, again. The guy said, you can use it. You can already use it.
So you have signal, but it's weak. Is that the thing?
No, it turns out it doesn't have anything. It's still not working. 5G siya, pero hindi naman nag-work. Ano pa naman siya? $25. So, yon. Hindi pa namin alam kung ano ang agenda for today. So, let's see. Your road. See ya. Init na po. Kasi it's summer, right?
Yeah.
Pagpas ko sa kanila, summer pala. So, yon. Ayun lang. In-update ko lang kayo na kami. Hindi na ako nag-vlog nung gabi. So, ayun lang. Nagpahinga na kami. And then, chika-chika muna sa kapatid niya. And then, yun. Nagtulog na. So, yun lang. Later again. See. Cute. A cute dog. Cute. Let's see. I make coffee.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah,
This should
really good.
really
Goody.
fire up my... Ooh.
Is that right? Sarap ng kape dito, Day.
Huh?
I said, masarap ang kape dito. Ang sarap. Tapos yung, what's the weather today?
I think it's going to be 30 something.
Ah, it's gonna be 30 degrees.
30
But
something.
still a bit cool, but it's really hot na.
It's still early.
Yeah.
So
It's just, anong oras na ba? It's 9:12 in the morning.
when the,
So,
there's-
bumili lang kami ng coffee.
you feel the sun, how much it burns you when you're standing in it.
Doon kami magi-stay na sa sa nanay niya. So, yon for the rest of our stay here in Australia. Sa nanay niya na kami magi-stay. Malapit lang yung coffee shop. Titring. We bought our breakfast and nakikipagkwentuhan lang muna kami sa nanay niya ngayong umaga. Tapos yun, update na lang later. Okay? Go. Healthy.
Yes, he is. Yes, beautiful. Yes. He's very good, that young man there. He's been there ever since he's operated.
And so it takes the shaker. So when in the old cameras, when you so I'll use it for some of my work stuff. And I'll use it.
Update guys. So nandito na kami. We were settled in my nanay ng Jusawa Key, so hindi ko na masyadong ipapakita yung room. Ganto lang for her privacy. Pero ito yung room namin. Tapos, that's our luggage. Ito yung door niya. Pero mamaya ko na lang i-show or i-video yung kabuuan. Medyo na siya, chaos na kasi na kami. Pero it's a comfy bed, nevertheless. Yeah. So, yun lang. Magpapahinga muna kami. Date ka na lang later. Okay. Papahinga lang. Update. Shower na to use, and this is my outfit for today. Chay. Go. Ito na. Look. So, ang haba nito. Pinupi ko lang dito. Ito ay from Shein. Ito, cotton on to. Yung kabakla si mama ngayon. Yan. Mahaba. Mahaba pero carry na. Ang chinelas lang ang gagamitin ko. It's my beach walk na chinelas. So, yan. Yan lang po. Simplihan lang daw ang atake. Charing. Pero I like this pants, yung design. It's very, abstract. So, that's the outfit. We're just gonna go to the shop, right?
Yeah.
And get some supplies with mom. And then, let's see from there. So, this is my bag. Check natin kung how many degrees outside. It's 25 degrees Celsius. Yung hikaw ko pala. That's my hikaw. It's from, Shein. Quick kineme lang tayos. Yung room tour natin. Hindi naman really to room tour. So, excuse for the messy, kasi na kami. Naka-settle in ba? So, ito na lang. Quick tour kineme. That's the bed. Pinagdikit lang siya na bed. Yan. Malaking painting. And then, ito yung cabinet. That's the door from the inside, and then that's the door then. Glass door. So, meron kaming view. We have a view. Tapos, ito na yung mga gamit namin. That's the reality. Magpakatotoo lang tayo. Hindi talaga tayo masyadong Pero, so, yan yung room namin. So, yun nga, as I said earlier, lang kami, mag-grocery ng a little bit. Charing. Yun, and then, then pupunta kami ulit dun sa kapatid niya, makikipagtsikahan. Tapos, yun lang. So, let's see. Pero hindi ko i-vlog yung, yung place nung sister niya, kasi alam mo naman, private citizen. Let's respect their privacy. Okay? Pati yung mama niya, hindi ko na ipapakita. So, let's respect their privacy because they were private citizenship. Charing. Go. Dami kong koda. Sige na. There's a lot of choices. Can you get that?
Yeah.
How about you want this? The salad?
Well, that's it.
No, this is, that's mainly salad.
What about a protein salad? Let's do that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So,
This one 70. Reduce 11.
can you
Mexican taco.
one has vegetarian Buddha bowl, which has don't that.
Fruit, this, and this. And we have almonds. Date, we're gonna have an early dinner. It's 4:37 in the afternoon. So this is our early dinner. This is my husband's dinner. It's protein salad bowl. Mine is basil pesto pasta bowl. So this is the
You know, films doing that, I think they need to have it. So
This is the
that looks really good. doesn't
yeah, it's
it?
got
Yeah.
feta cheese in it,
Oh,
and carrot and quinoa and chicken.
oh, that sounds really. That's great, isn't it?
Yeah,
Never.
It's yummy.
massive.
Yes.
I will in a minute. I'll eat half of this. And
Hello! So, update. Nakapag nighttime routine. Kaya meron akong mga ganyan sa mga potential ba na na zit. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng doctorly ba yung tawag dun? Para hindi na yung mga potential na zit na pimples. So, yun. So, ang galing pala kami dun sa bahay ng ng kapatid nito. Itong katabi ko. Charing. So, yun. That's it for our first 24 hours here in Australia. Ano lang ginawa natin? Yun lang. Lumipat lang tayo ng accommodation dito sa nanay niya. Ang baba ng ng boses kasi nabuborlog na sa taas yung nanay niya. So, I don't wanna disturb ba. So, yun, nag-move lang. Then, nag-coffee. And then, this afternoon, nag-grocery lang ng dinner. And then, pumunta naman kami sa sister niya, nakipag-chikahan. And then, after that, umuwi kami dito. Tapos, nag-ayos na ako ng sarili ko para sa gabi. Hindi na ako magpapalit ng wala naman akong dalang damit na pantulog. Ito na yun. It is what it is. Tapos, ayan lang. So, yun. First 24 hours. So, 18 days tayo dito sa Australia. So, yun. Aanin natin, rebooting kineme. Mag-recharge for the next year. And, yun. That's it for our video for today. So, good night. Please like and subscribe. Go. So, see you tomorrow. Bye.